Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I want to show you guys this 3-in-1 USB-C to HDMI adapter. Alright, here we go. This MoKo 3-in-1 USB-C to HDMI adapter looks pretty nice. It also feels nice too. The cable also feels well built. It's durable and flexible. This has a high-speed USB 3.0 port that can transmit speed up to 5 GB per second, which is really fast. This also has a USB-C PD fast charge with a maximum charge of 100 watts. This design is really nice, slim, and compact. And here is the HDMI port that can support 4K at 60 Hz. This adapter is super easy to use, no need for software or drivers.